Okay, I'm videotaping you. Say hi. Say hi. I'm swinging my sister. You swinging Marina?
Yeah.
Who are you swinging? Marina. What's your name? Hey, what's your name? No, what's your name? Danik? Danik what? You're Danik Rossi? How old are you? Danik?
3.
You're 3? Marina! Did he leave you alone? What's up, Marina? What? Push? Hey, say hey, come back and push me, Danik. Let's see, what is Dante doing? Must be something on the wall. Nothing there. Imaginary item that Dante is stalking. Danik, where are you? Come here, I want to videotape you. Can you shoot the basket?
Yes.
Almost. What? Marina, you drinking your juice box? Marina, is it good? Dante, Dante, say hi. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna videotape you. Okay, go ahead. Wow, try again.
Okay.
Oh, try again. Try again. Oh, almost. Danik, Danik, can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Can you say hi, Tata?
Hi, yes.
Come here, Danik.
Yes.
Say hi, Tata.
Hi, Tata.
Say hi, Uncle Frank.
Hi, Uncle.
Say hi, Great Grandma.
Hi, Great Grandma. Mama,
Okay, go ahead.
Hey.
Oh, almost. Daddy raised it so it's more difficult, huh? Oh, almost. What's Marina doing?
Juice box.
She's drinking a juice box? Marina, can you wave hi? Can you wave hi to everybody? No, you can just choke. Daddy, we're videotaping for Argentina and he said hi to Grandma, Great Grandma,
Hello.
Uncle Frank, and Tata.
Hello, hello.
Anything you'd like to say? I asked him what his name was. He said Chuchi.
Daddy.
What?
Pablo.
So, come on, jump, shoot.
Almost. Try again. Oh, it's higher now, so it's more difficult. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Danik, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Let me get a close-up. Danik, let me get a close-up of your cute face and your haircut since you cut your own hair.
Come on, go over there.
Come here by me. No. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.